How to install Bandlab on your PC. So if you want to install your Bandlab on your PC, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your browser. So you can go with any browser, and I'm here with my Chrome browser. Once you're on your Chrome browser, you need to search for Bandlab. So it's a premium online digital audio workstation tool by Bandlab Technologies with social media functions and distribution functions for creating music collaboratively, sharing it, and selling it. So you can go with www.bandlab.com and make sure that you have an account. If you don't have an account, you can go and create your account. So go with the product section. Under products, you can go with download. But before that, you can go with get started and create an account if you don't have an account. If you already have an account, then you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or Apple that you've used while creating your account. So tap on continue. And if it says that you don't have an account and you need to create, then you need to go and create one. Enter your day, your month, and the year of your birth, and then go with sign up. You can go with your username and go with continue and select your musical journey, select some more, pick your favorite genre, go with continue, and who inspires you. So I'll select one or two artists and then go with done, and your account has been created. Right. Once you've created your account, you can go back to your Bandlab and go with download Bandlab for your PC or for your mobile. Here, as you can see that it is available on mobile. It says that this feature is only available on mobile. It's not available on web version. So you won't be able to download your Bandlab on your PC, but you'll be able to download it on your device. So in order to use your Bandlab, you can go with bandlab.com, which will eventually take you to the official website. And from here, you can just simply go with create, which is on the top right, and you'll be able to create a new project or a strong starter. You don't need the application. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.